restaurant.
It's like a
Nice view.
yes. Hello.
Hi. Oh, very beautiful.
Nó do tối rồi.
So like here we have a special coffee from animal. For the name animal in Bali we call luwak. For the process how we process.
Okay. This is the famous.
It says food from animal.
Oh, food from animal.
Like the animal when they eat the bean, they didn't bite, they just swallow the coffee bean.
Oh.
They eat only the outer skin.
Oh, and then they swallow the seeds.
Yes. Then for the process, the first step, here we wash many times by hot water, and then we dry, become like this. The finish we dry, we must peel the shell, and then we take the bean inside.
Oh, okay.
The finish we remove the shell to get the aroma coffee come out, or we did the roasting that.
How do you? I hear about the coconut coffee.
Coconut coffee, or China coconut coffee and chocolate. Here we have one product, coffee mixture, avocado. Here we roasted for the 5 minutes, coconut to blend, become the color, and the powder to make powder.
You do everything by hand.
Yes. Like here, start from harvest the bean until we make powder, manual process. We don't use the machine.
Okay.
Next time, to try some coffee, tea, and chocolate. You can sit in that table, but come with tester.
Nó mà to cũng có cái.
Oh, yeah. Rất là nó lên cái có vậy.
Ginseng coffee,
Coconut ginseng.
lemongrass tea, coconut coffee, says ginger tea, coffee mixed with vanilla, rosella tea. It says still family of hibiscus, Bali coffee and chocolate, tea from skin of mangosteen, turmeric tea,
Oh, skin of mangosteen.
lemon
She
tea.
did a little tea.
Then for the last one, it says coffee mixed with avocado.
I try this one too.
1 cup.
1 cup.
You can enjoy for the tasting. You can try this. We have local chips we made from
Nhà cho Charles này. Có nó nhà special. Có nó mà kỹ nữa. Nhà sao từ Bali mà cho chân nhiều stuff. Là một cho mà đại một tàu. Thì nó biết cho nó phải cho bao chế mà cầm cái hộp cho không nữa. đó chùa thế hôm nào mà lỡ tu rong cần của nó
Để chân đông nó
Ừ.
tap tap chứ mình dây thì sợ tí
đó chùa mà chùa phải tới chờ số tên